I've been painting for over 20 years, and for me, painting is still a real experience. Like, it's the most exciting thing I can do with my time. And I think that's because I've developed all my techniques and ideas to support that and to be fun and to be magical in the way that they seem to appear rather than me dictate every move. I mean, of course, sometimes I just place what I want, but even then, it's so carefree. And then over time and layering, I change that idea and let it grow in a natural way. And that's really what I like about creativity, is experiencing it and being surprised by it and excited by it. So yeah, I'm teaching some classes on how I do this and what motivates me and excites me and keeps me going and how I approach painting. You can find out about that via my workshop page and my link tree. It's just